I want to talk about a particular subject that creators mention, but we don't really dig into it. When I was in school for film, I had an instructor that always reminded us that there's nothing new under the sun, meaning someone's already tried that. There is absolutely nothing new, like everything has been done. What is kind of annoying though is the outright plagiarism and actually steal and mimic and imitate others' work instead of creating new shit from their own ass. Steal from some white girl because white people have been stealing from us for our 400 or 500 years, right? But stealing from your own black and brown brothers and sisters is a no. My goal with my social media presence is to inspire you, to encourage you, to empower you to be your most authentic self. Please don't buy the exact same outfit that I'm wearing and think that you created that. Please don't create content that I've done and say that that is yours. Yes, try new different things, but don't see what other people are doing and be like, oh, they're doing cool shit, so I should do the exact same cool shit, because that's never, ever going to make you cool. And you cannot replicate the recipe when you've never had the sauce to begin with.